Good morning, students. Today we will do worksheet number 31 of science. The topic of the worksheet is chapter 6 life processes, which we have done in the last 2 weeks. In today's worksheet you are being given only the question answers, the important ones to be done in this chapter. So let us discuss the question answers and how you need to attempt it. So let us have a look on the worksheet. Expected questions from this chapter. Part A is objective type question. As you all know, MCQs hai. One of the answers would be correct. You have to take the correct option or give the answer in a single word or a single sentence. Let us have a look on a new thing. The new thing is question number 10. In question number 10, there are two things given. One is assertion and one is reason. Now assertion is what? Assertion is actually a statement or a fact which is already known to us, like stomata are tiny pores present on the surface of leaf. We already know this. Second statement given is the reason that gaseous exchange takes place in the plants through stomata. तो पहला assertion है और दूसरा उसका reason दिया गया है. Now you have 4 options A, B, C and D. You have to take the correct option. A says that A and R both are true and R is the correct explanation of assertion. अगर आपको लगता है कि दोनों true हैं और R उसको बिल्कुल correct explain कर रहा है तो आप A टिक करेंगे. Then B says that both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation. So इसमें आप B टिक करेंगे. C says that A is true but R is false. अगर आपको लगता है A वाला सही है और R गलत है, या D कहता है कि R बिल्कुल false है और A true है. तो ये रीजनिंग टाइप के क्वेश्चंस होते हैं. अ वेरी लेटेस्ट काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन. इसको आराम से पढ़ना है, समझना है एंड देन यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट इट. सेकेंड वन इज द शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस. इसमें आपको आंसर्स 3 या 4 लाइन्स में दे देंगे आप. द इम्पॉर्टेंट वन विच आई वॉन्ट टू डिस्कस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. हैव अ लुक. This is a flow chart given. You have to fill the boxes. Gastric glands present on the wall of the stomach. Now we have been reading in digestion that gastric glands secrete 3 types of thing. तो क्या क्या secretions वो बनाते हैं वो आपको fill करना है A, B और C में. अब A का क्या function है? Suppose आपने यहाँ पे लिखा कि ये juice बनता है, whatever the name is. तो D में आप भरेंगे कि what is the function. Similarly B का function E में and C का function F में. In this way you will complete the flow chart. And last one is the long answer type questions. In long answer type question you will have a look that 2 questions are from the diagrams and another one are explanatory. You need to write in detail diagrams of human heart and human excretory system. You have already been told during the videos and in the worksheets. Now we will have a look on certain explanatory diagrams which I am going to show you in the next clips. These will help you to do the labeling. So first one is the diagram of human heart. As you can see, the labeling is being given showing all the auricles and the ventricles. One sketch is given. You can easily see and learn how to make it. Another one is human alimentary canal, or in simple words this is human digestive system, showing the different organs and the labelings both in English and Hindi medium. This is a very easy diagram and very important one also. This one is human respiratory system, having the diagram of lungs and various organs in the respiratory system. The labeling is clearly being given. The next one is human excretory system, showing the kidney and the urinary bladder and the subsequent labeling of this. And the last one is the structure of a nephron, the unit of kidney which you have last seen in the diagram. The functional unit of kidney is a nephron. So these are the diagrams which you have to practice to make because they are very important from examination point of view. Thank you.